If you want to play a joke on your friends and family, you can explain to them that you've spent countless hours learning the subtle art of oil painting and that you've provided for them a wonderful painting of their favorite pet. But of course, that's not true. I haven't spent any time doing that. What I've actually done is I've just taken a photograph of my kitty cat. This is my picture here, and I've just run it through a filter, and it looks, I think, wonderful. So in this video, I'm going to walk through how to use that filter. It's completely free, and it's actually really fun too. Let's jump in. So the site that I'm on is called lunapic.com, and all I do is I just upload my photo, and then I can select one of these artifacts down at the bottom here. So I'm going to get started by simply clicking the upload button in the top left. And when I click the top left button, now I can just select the browse button, and I can select my original photograph. So here's my picture of my cat hiding under the electric blanket. I simply double click it, and then I can see it's uploading. Here's the actual uploaded picture. And then now what I can do is I can go to the top menu and I can take a look at all of these different filters and effects. I'm going to go under Art and I'm going to simply select Picasso. It takes a second to process, and then here I've got a nice, really high quality, great looking oil painting of my kitty cat. There's other effects that you can use as well. I'm just going to click the back button. That's going to take me back to the original picture, and then I'm going to click Art. And I'm going to go down here to watercolor. So it's really just that easy to create a really neat looking effect. If you like artifacts, and especially for personalized gifts, pick somebody's cat or dog or kid or whatever, run it through this filter and watch their eyes light up, because it looks like you've spent hours creating a high-end piece of artwork that features their favorite family member. To save the image is really easy. Over on the left-hand side, there's a bunch of menu options. There's a save button about halfway down. I click save and a menu pops up. I can now select what type of file to save it as. And by clicking, say, JPEG, that'll open up my file folders now for where I'd like to locate it. So now I can just simply save the file. And now I've got my before and after sitting in here. The original file was about 2500 by 1900, and then the saved file is a little bit smaller at 1700 by 1268, but it's still a good size though, and you can zoom in and you can see it's actually pretty detailed, which I really like. Nice high quality print there for digital or print on demand purposes. I hope you found this video walkthrough helpful. I'll put the link in the video description below. Thanks a lot for watching. Here's another video on how you can supercharge your artistic skill set.